Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Yes, let us read the poem. Last poem, that is Trees Are a Lot Like Us. Trees are a lot like us means trees. Poem is comparing to the trees with the human being. Human being also, when they are small, they are kids. Now human beings are kids. Now you can see a kid. The poem is comparing with the kid as a plant, small plant, tree as human being, big adult one who have grown up. Now let us read the poem. I like to take a walk in the woods. Come with me. Do you think you could? I will find a tree that we can climb. I will have fun all afternoon. Now, the poet is telling that people who have fun. Now, for example, you have holidays. Hope you have a summer holidays. You go to the villages. If you go to the villages, you find the people going to the fields, the forest. They'll go for jungles where the greenish trees will be there. They go there and they enjoy. They climb the tree, they come there, they do a fun and they enjoy the days. Summer days, oftenly people go to the fields and they under the tree, they sit there, they have their lunch, they play, they do fun and they come home. Like this only, I like to take a walk in the woods where the forest near trees. Come with me. Do you think you could? See, come along us, we will go. We will find a tree that we can climb. We'll be having trees there. We can climb the tree. I will have fun all afternoon. We'll be having a fun all afternoon climbing the tree, getting down. Under the tree we can sleep. Under the tree we can play. We can climb the tree. The next stanza, let us read. Little trees need a chance to grow. It takes time and care. They are a lot like you know. See, now lot like us. It is lot like us means, for example, when we keep the plant, when we planting, see, we take the small plants. Yes or no? We will put in our pot seedlings. Afterwards, it grows big. Automatically, the plant becomes trees. It gives fruits. It gives flowers. Yes or no, children? Yes, here also you can see. We also, children, we will become first. We are small. After growing, we will become young. Afterwards, young, old, will become. Yes or no? They also are like us only. Plants also are like that only. Plants, it will be first. Afterwards, growing, it become tree. Big tree it becomes. Yes or no? Yes. So many kinds of different trees. They look like one big family. See, the poet is comparing that. It is looking like a family. Now you can see we have babies in our house. We have younger children, elder children. We see the old people, we see the young people, we see the middle aged people in our houses. Like this only, here also among the trees we have different types of plants and trees. They look like one big family. It looks like a big family. We also will be having a joint family. Yes or no, children? It looks like a joint family, a big family. Big ones, short ones, baby ones too. I will name this one after you. See, now it will be having a different types of names. You know that. Now we keep our children will be having different names. Elder people will be having different name. Old people also, it will be having the different names. Like this only, how the family we keep our names. Here also they have their names, different types of names. I will be a long time before he. It's tall and strong like a grown up tree. Now you can see, I will be long time before he. It's tall and strong like grown up tree. It is tall and long like grown up tree. For now, he is just like a kid like us. Now when they are scribbling, they will find that scribbling to plan there. It will be like a kid. It will be very small. Daily they will be pouring the water, whatever the plants need, they will put, no. Afterwards, plants will go and become a great big trees. It becomes trees. When it is small, we call them plant. When it is big, we call them trees. Yes or no, children? Yes. For now, he is just like a kid like us, playing out in the wood. Now it is just like a woods. It is playing in woods. Now what you understood by this lesson, children? Now the poet is telling that it is like a human being. These plants also, these trees also, it grows like an human being. Now you can see that human being, when they grow, when they be kid, whatever the kid needs, the kid needs to grow big, they give milk. Yes or no? They give milk, sorts of powders they give, for sorts of different types of foods they give. Here also plants also, to grow plants, they put more water, whatever the things that to grow for the plant, they give, because we have to take care of them like that only, like a kid, like a child. And because they have to become a big tree, it has to become a great big tree. See, human being, we take care for every minute, every hour, every year, every month. Like this only, trees also, they have to take care of that, and that time it grows very big, and it gives us fruits, it gives us food, it gives us, yes, so children, flowers, sorts of things it gives. Plants, without plants we cannot stay, because environment is due to plants only. Yes or no, children? Plants gives us what? It gives oxygen. Yes or no? Without plants we cannot live. So we also need, in our house we have to plant trees. We have to plant trees and we have to grow it. Plants is very important to take an oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot live in this world. Yes or no, children? Hope you all understood this poem. Thank you, children.